Did you know that your mood is contagious? It's hard to believe, but it is. A while back, Harvard Business Review reported on a study out of NYU and the University of Michigan that found that an executive's mood is caught by the team members they've been asked to lead. It goes on to say that if you want to be an effective leader, you need to manage your emotions while you're in the office. But wait, you might say, isn't this the era of authentic leadership? Aren't we all trying to be more real and vulnerable at work? Well, yes and no. It makes sense that we want to be authentic, but we also have to consider our environment. Think of it this way. Imagine you just found out that you were passed over for a promotion. Woo! You're feeling down in the dumps. In fact, you're feeling horrible. But that night, you have plans to go on a date or go to a party or attend a concert with your in-laws. The environment you're in dictates how you'll behave. It'd be bad form to let your disappointment show through on the date, at the party, or at the concert, right? On the other hand, let's say you got the bad news and that night you had plans to meet your best friend for drinks. That's an entirely different environment and one where it would be okay to let it all hang out. So remember, it's okay to be disappointed and it's okay to be in a bad mood, but it's not okay to let your feelings seep out to those you're in charge of leading. Save the disappointment and the venting for a more appropriate time. Remember, to be an effective leader, there are times you'll have to put your emotions aside so that those you're leading can be inspired to tackle the mountains they're asked to climb. If you like what you saw here today, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button. To download my 53-page guidebook called The Unspoken Rules of Leadership, click the link in the description below. And don't forget to click here for more videos like this one. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a professor, and a speaker, and I'll catch you next time.